You are not ready for this. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I'm Nishu and I make dance, makeup and beauty content. What if I told you random day I decided I should make beauty and makeup contents and I should also make get ready with me, then end up in having an invitation from Flipkart Glam Up 2026, and that changed my life totally 360-degree that I never imagined in my life. I was standing there as a creator surrounded by lot more brands, many creators, influencers, and yes, I saw the celebrity for the first time. Sound unreal, right? But I bet you can't even imagine to whom I saw there. I saw Bhumi Pednekar personally from my eyes for the first time. I think she is going to be the first celebrity that I ever saw in my life. Honestly, this experience changed the way I look at to content creator because trust me, you don't want to miss this, right? One day, randomly, I was scrolling Instagram like any other individual. Then I saw this confluencer. They were organizing this Flipkart Glamour 2026. I saw that on Instagram. Randomly, I saw. And after that, when I saw this event, I thought I should just sign up. Let's see. I don't know whether they will respond or not because I was not having enough followers. People are having 10K, 20K, even millions. And I don't have that much. So I thought I should sign up. Let's see what happened. And then I signed up randomly. They were asking number, mail, address, and everything. Then I just randomly filled that form. And then after that, one day they called and they said, are you interested in coming there? And we're going to approve your profile and we're going to review that first. And then we will approve, and then after that you can do further steps whatever needed for that event. I said fine, but after they cut the call I thought maybe it's a scam because usually this thing happened now. They ask and they say something, very nice things in the phone call, and they will try to manipulate you. So I got thousands of thoughts in my mind and I thought maybe it's a fake and scam, kind of a scam. So I ignored it for some days. After that, first time I posted one post on Instagram. Those who follow me, they saw that. That day, I thought I should post. This is not a big deal. I can post that. Okay, that's nothing like what I can do. So I post a story about that event, and they said to write like I'm going to this event. I was like, मैं लिख तो दूंगी, but मैं जा भी रही हूँ कि नहीं? I mean, whether I have time or not. And second thing is whether they're going to send me invite or not. I mean, I don't know. I will not do anything and they will send me invite. This will not happen, I think. If you don't put effort, I don't think so you will get anything in life. So I thought, why they will invite me? Why will they will send invite to me? Because I have very less followers. I love making those makeup content, so I start loving it, liking it more. So I signed up to that. They called, they said to post a story and do the further steps, and they told me to see on the app. There is a task detail, everything is there. You have to follow step by step. So I was thinking, like, they are not asking me my bank details, so till that time it's fine. If I'm doing something, till that time it's fine. It is like this will not a scam because I didn't fill my bank details, only phone number, and then in the beginning, when I entered my phone number, they were asking OTP, and yeah, now you heard a lot more videos, like you saw a lot more videos like about the scam and OTP and everything. So I signed up. Then after that, I was having all the negative thoughts, like every other individual, whether it will end up in nice way or not. So I signed up finally. Then after that, I posted one story, and then I saw their details, and after posting a story they were showing the brands, like 3 4 brands according to my follower, and I had to select that. I was not knowing whether I should do one or two, and they were having more than one option, so I select all. There were 5 brands. They showed me after analyzing my profile, so I applied for all the 5 campaigns. Like it was kind of a campaign for a particular brand. As you can see, I was having Plix, for example. Plix was there. I'm giving example, but I opt for that as well. So I opt for that campaign, and then after that they were tasked, like they were almost same task in every other brand. They were saying to post a story before event that you are going. Then after going in the event, you have to make a reel for them for showing their brand products and everything. Then after that you have to post then and there itself, and then they will approve. You can take their approval before as well, just in case. And then after that, when you upload it, they will give you hamper. Okay, they will give you price. Okay, and this you have to do for a particular brand. which you opt, and they approved after like viewing your profile. And this is their way to analyze and shortlist people for their brand. Actually, some of my friends tried to sign up that page, so they told me they can't because they have enough follower. So then I come to know there is a follower criteria as well, and it was 2000. So those who are having 2000 and 2000 and more, they can apply irrespective of the gender. So yeah, that's why there were so many men's are there. And because I got comment as well and I got DM as well, like what boys are doing there, because there are companies like Beardo, the band company, and Engage, Men Edition, and there are a lot more unisex brands as well. So, and there were games, so that can be played by everyone, because there was a couple. Guy played a game of Maybelline, and he won actually lipstick. Girl didn't won, but the guy, he won the lipstick, and yeah, automatically that went to the person who deserves. So yeah, then after that, brand approval was late because I was not, consistent with them. So they told me to, make a video and post the live one that I posted, that many of you guys saw that, those who were following me. So I posted that live video. Then after that, I have to post the link or screenshot of that. Then after that, after 24 hours, I have to post the insight so that they can, analyze and tell me what I supposed to do. So then after that, they will approve. So they will give a invitation ticket. So I uploaded one day before. I don't know why. I was busy and I couldn't able to make it. So and I was shy as well because I never did voiceover video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the part 2.